Hello, hello, amazing viewers. How you all are doing? I hope you all are doing well, fantastic, and fantabulous. So this is my first solo video. So I am going to record that because I don't have any idea how to record the solo video, because nowadays most of the people they are just recording their self to improve their communication skill, and they want to improve or fluent in English. So that's why I thought I should also try to improve myself, because nowadays I'm not taking any kind of session. So that's why I thought I should practice with myself. So today it is my first day to make this kind of video. So if I make any mistakes, so please viewers, you can just forget it. So initially we can make some kind of mistakes, so gradually we will have like all the knowledge, so what the things we have to do, or we have to incorporate in our this kind of videos and speaking. So today I thought, okay, I should try it, because I'm not that much perfect in that. Just I want to take initiate in that, because there are so many YouTubers, there are so many person they are doing that. So you can see that today I am at my terrace, because I don't have so much place to go outside this time, because in my vicinity. So there is a park. That park is at a stone's throw from my home, but still I am unable to go outside in that park, because in this time, because I'm sure I'm recording myself in the evening time. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening. So this time, that whole park is full of members, and they just some people are like strolling over there, and like they go to the evening walk, and some children also play over there. So that is the not particular place to record myself. So that's why I thought I should try it on my terrace, because now in my terrace no one is here, and also at my home no one is there. So that's why. So yeah, today, because because I have just started my YouTube channel. It's been only 3 months, so that it is very less time, because the YouTubers, if they want proficiency in that, so they just come, some people they just completed their 4 to 5 years in that. So so it is my initial time to start this kind of video. So if you have any suggestion for me, so please drop that in the comment box. I really want to know, like, in which part I have to work, or if you suggest me some kind of any other thing, so that I can also improve myself in this way. And just because I most of the time upload the videos, not so that kind of videos, but most of the time I upload the shorts videos over there regarding the grammar content, and sometimes it's English expression, advanced expression, idioms. So but today I'm not going to share with you any other thing, because I don't have so much idea about this. So just if we want to speak very long time, so which kind of topic I have to suggest, I have to like take. And nowadays it is also said that if you are going to make this kind of long video, so just you can share any kind of story, and you can elaborate that story in your own words. That's it. That is also the like a good way to improve, or good way to practice, because just I want to get the knowledge and get the fluency in my speaking. So that's I that is what I really want. But I don't want to be famous. I don't want to be a good famous YouTuber, so that YouTuber has so many subscribers. No, I just created my channel. I have just created my channel only for improving myself, and because I wanted to be consistent here. So in that way I am consistent. And yeah, so because if we have this kind of goal na, so that time we just try to think like what next we have to do. So because I have also seen there are so many YouTubers, they just after creating their YouTube channel, they are getting their fluency, right? Because after creating their channel, so they are improving day by day. So I thought it is a good way to improve, I think. So this is the thing I thought. So if this is like the right thought or right decision to me, so please let me know. Because I don't have, so I already mentioned earlier, because I don't have so much idea about making these kind of solo videos. It is my first day. And some people, what they do, just they, because they have so many places to visit, like if we talk about the villagers, so they have so many fields, they have jungle, they can go outside. If they go outside, so they can show us like good views over there. There are so many good sceneries are available if the people are living in a hilly area. So because I have seen so many videos like Sunita Rawat's ma'am's videos and any other person's videos who belongs to like Himachal or Uttarakhand or these kind of hilly areas. They have so much places to visit, or they have so much places to show us and make these kind of videos. But I don't have. But now, like, because I belong to Delhi, so that's why I also have so much places. But nowadays there the salubrious weather is not here, because it's scorching hot, it's sweltering over there. So that's why. And whenever I go outside, so this is a not perfect place. This is the not perfect season to go outside in the afternoons, especially because the sun is very hot outside in the daytime. So it is very difficult to visit any kind of place, because there are so many visiting places are here in Delhi. So but it is not the good season to go outside. In September or November, we can go outside in daytime. This is the perfect weather to visit any place in Delhi. So I will think like that time to go outside and explore the places, and I elaborate a whole things over there. So for that I have to for like till then I have to just create these kind of videos. And next time I what I am thinking for next time. For next time I should tell you a story in my own way, and just you can also try to do that. So this is all about my this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Next time I will meet you with another, with a story, and next time I will meet you an interesting story, motivational story. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you.